If we now look at tests, OO check setup and the O3 logging p.py, we can see that we're importing logging, creating a logger, and now logging out various messages, info again, error. I'm going to delete that file in there. And if we run PyTest all the way and just run that one particular file, O3 logging, if we run that, we get our output. We can see our log file here, time, date, stamp, level warning, name of the logger, which in this case is just the file name, the message, and the file name and the line number. Line 14, move in here, line 14 logger info test A1. So that's the logger, and again it's configured in the pytest.ini. We've configured it down here, location and the log name, the level that we're setting for logger that gets recorded, time, level name, name of the logger, the message we pass, file name and line number, the date time format. That's logging.